In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete WhatsApp messages. For everyone, be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up WhatsApp app and get in the chat. After that, get into some conversation in which you would like to remove some messages, and then just search for a message you would like to delete. Once you find one, just a long press on it. Tap at delete, and then you will be able to choose multiple messages. At the same time, you can select several messages. Then tap at trash icon and then choose whether you would like to delete these messages for everyone or just for you. If you want to delete messages for everyone, tap at the first option, and what that will do, that will delete all the messages you have selected. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.